Imagine a world where a small but brilliant language wizard, Phi-1.5, with just 1.3 billion smarts, outshines even its larger peers. How does it do that? Today, we're diving into Microsoft's Phi-1.5, a little powerhouse in the AI world. How can this seemingly smaller model outperform its larger counterparts? What sets it apart? And why is it causing such a buzz in the tech world? Stick around because we're about to uncover the astonishing power of Phi-1.5. Now, let's explore the incredible world of transformers. No, we're not talking about shape-shifting robots. We're talking about a revolutionary way of understanding and processing language and data. Picture a neural network that's like a super detective, one that comprehends not just words, but their context. It's like having a sixth sense for language. This detective is called a transformer model, and it's transformed how we handle words and data. Before transformers, we used older methods like RNNs and CNNs, which were like old-school detectives with magnifying glasses. They struggled with long sequences and didn't quite grasp the context. But then came transformers, introduced by Google in 2017. These transformers are like modern, high-tech detectives. They use something called attention to focus on important parts and make sense of long strings of words. Think of it as them zooming in on the crucial clues in a mystery. They're not only used for language tasks like translation and text summarization, but also in computer vision and speech recognition. Transformers are everywhere now, and they're powerful. But here's the thing. These modern detectives need a lot of computing power, and sometimes they can make mistakes, lack common sense, or struggle with complex topics. Now, let's delve into what makes Phi-1.5 truly unique. Most language models learn from the vast ocean of data on the web, but Phi-1.5 takes a different path. It's like a knowledge sponge that soaks up information from multiple sources, making it stand out in the AI crowd. Imagine it gathering pieces of Python code from questions and answers on platforms like Stack Overflow. It's like Phi-1.5 is learning the language of computers straight from the experts. But that's not all. It also taps into coding competitions, where it absorbs valuable insights from code contests. And here's the twist. Phi-1.5 doesn't stop there. It even delves into synthetic Python textbooks and exercises created by GPT 3.5 Turbo, a smaller AI cousin. These diverse data sources give Phi-1.5 a rock-solid grasp of programming languages and logic, making it the go-to champ for tasks like code generation and code error fixing. But wait, there's more. Phi-1.5 also digests various NLP synthetic texts. These are like language puzzles, where words are swapped, omitted, or sentences are turned upside down. It's like Phi-1.5 is sharpening its language skills with linguistic brain teasers. In our journey through Phi-1.5's extraordinary capabilities, let's dive into segment 4 and uncover the remarkable tools that power its training. Now picture this. Phi-1.5 doesn't just learn like your average AI model. It uses some cutting-edge, mind-boggling software tools that make it a real standout. One of these game changers is deep speed. Think of it as a turbocharger for Phi-1.5's learning process. Deep speed enables this AI marvel to learn faster while using multiple GPUs, meaning it can crunch data at lightning speed and with less memory. It's like Phi-1.5 has a rocket booster strapped on. But that's not all. Enter flash attention. This nifty algorithm takes the way Phi-1.5 processes information and flips it on its head in a good way by rearranging how attention is calculated and using smart methods like tiling and recomputation. Phi-1.5 can process information faster and more efficiently. Imagine going from calculating things based on the square of a sequence's length to just the length itself. Mind-blowing, right? These tools aren't just fancy tech jargon. They're the secret sauce behind Phi-1.5's stellar performance. Now, as we continue our exploration, you'll see how these tools transform Phi-1.5 into a true AI powerhouse. Now let's talk about the real action, Phi-1.5's astonishing performance. You might wonder how such a compact AI model can stand tall in a world of giants. Well, it's all about the results. On the AGI Eval benchmark, which puts models through tough exams like SAT and LSAT, Phi 1.5 shines brighter than your average human. It even outperforms the mighty Meta's Llama 27B, a giant in the AI world with 27 billion parameters. Imagine that. Phi 1.5 scores an impressive 95% on the SAT math test and a remarkable 92.5% on the English section of the Chinese college entrance exam. Let's dive deeper. On the GPT-4 benchmark suite, which tests language models on over 200 different tasks, Phi 1.5 holds its ground alongside Llama 27B. It even leaves other models like GPT-3, ChatGPT, and TextDaVinci 003 in the dust on most tasks. These results tell us something big. Phi 1.5 isn't just about creating text. It's fantastic at understanding and making sense of it too. So, are you ready for the jaw-dropping part? Despite having fewer than 10 billion parameters, Phi 1.5 proves it's a top-tier performer. It's like watching an underdog beat the heavyweight champion. But wait, there's more to this story. Now let's talk about the ins and outs of Phi 1.5. Every hero has their limits, right? Well, Phi 1.5 is no exception. It's incredible, but it's not perfect. Sometimes it might give you more details than you asked for. Imagine asking who the US president is, and it tells you it's Joe Biden. But then it dives into extra info about his election and age, which you might not want. Also, when you're dealing with really complex stuff, especially in fields like math or engineering, Phi 1.5 might not always provide the best answers. Some topics need more than just understanding language. They require specialized skills and knowledge. But that's not all. Safety is another concern. Phi 1.5, like other AI models, can sometimes produce content that's biased or offensive. It's not its fault. It learns from the data it was trained on. While Microsoft has been careful with its training data, it's not perfect. So we need to remember that it might have biases and always use it responsibly. Phi 1.5 is a powerful tool, but it's essential to be aware of these limitations and ensure its safe and responsible use in our ever-evolving digital landscape. In an exciting turn of events, Phi 1.5 isn't just a secret Microsoft's keeping to themselves. They've done something groundbreaking. They've decided to share it with the world. You might wonder, why is this such a big deal? Well, let me tell you. Phi 1.5 is now open source, and that means anyone with a knack for research can get their hands on it. But here's the twist. It's under a research license. So, what does this mean? It means you can download and use Phi 1.5, but there's a catch. It's strictly for research purposes only. You can't just take it and run amok. Now, why is this so significant? Imagine the possibilities. Researchers, scientists, and tech enthusiasts can explore Phi 1.5, learn from it, and maybe even improve upon it. It's like having access to a treasure chest of AI knowledge without the usual restrictions. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. While Phi 1.5 is a fantastic tool, it's not perfect. It might have biases or limitations, so using it responsibly is crucial. What groundbreaking discoveries and innovations will Phi 1.5's open source release unlock? The possibilities are endless, and we're just scratching the surface of what this could mean for the world of AI. Stay tuned, because the future's looking brighter than ever. In the grand scheme of things, Phi 1.5 isn't just a fancy piece of technology. It's a glimpse into the future of AI and language models. When we peer into this crystal ball, what do we see? Imagine a world where AI understands us better than ever before, where it assists us in ways we couldn't have dreamed of. Phi 1.5 is like a small step towards a bigger leap in human-computer interaction. As we look ahead, we must consider the implications. How will this technology shape our daily lives? Could it revolutionize education, making complex topics accessible to all? Might it unlock new frontiers in medical research or help us solve some of the world's most pressing problems? The potential is boundless, but so are the ethical and societal questions that come with it. How do we ensure it's used responsibly? How do we address issues like bias and privacy? It's a thrilling journey we're embarking on, full of possibilities and challenges. So, stay tuned, because the story of Phi-1.5 is just the beginning of an exciting chapter in the ever-evolving world of artificial intelligence. And there you have it, the astonishing Phi-1.5, a small yet mighty force in the realm of AI. But remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg in the world of artificial intelligence. The journey is far from over, and the future holds even more exciting discoveries. If you're as intrigued as we are by the potential of Phi-1.5 and the ever-evolving landscape of technology, then don't miss out. Be part of this thrilling adventure by hitting that like button, sharing this video with your friends, and subscribing to our channel. Stay tuned for more mind-boggling tech insights and groundbreaking discoveries, because the future is unfolding right before our eyes. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and we can't wait to explore the endless possibilities of AI with you.